Turning to public safety, Reading's electric utility is taking proactive measures to address wildfire risks. Reading Electric Utility announced plans for potential power shutoffs in 2025 to mitigate wildfire risks. The strategy targets high-risk areas during extreme weather, prioritizing community safety amid increasing fire threats. Officials are working to minimize disruptions, notifying residents in advance and providing resources for those affected. The plan includes infrastructure upgrades to enhance grid resilience. Residents are encouraged to prepare emergency kits and stay informed through utility updates. This initiative reflects the region's ongoing efforts to balance safety and reliability in a fire-prone environment. Find more local stories on our social media, Shasta Lake Town Hall on Facebook, at Town Hall News on X, and mountaintopmedia.com. From all of us at Town Hall Brief, thanks for listening.